Canada food prices is rising every day, and it's affecting so many families because people are now shopping at the dollar store where things are cheaper, but you're actually consuming more calories. So now people are choosing costs over nutrition, and that is the sad reality. But what can you do? You have to make do with whatever is in your budget for that month. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining us, we are the Bailey's family and we are originally from Jamaica. So our channel is basically all about our family, what we do each and every day here. We live in Canada. um as you can see, the introduction for my video, I'm talking about food prices in Canada. So guys, you see all that nice food what you just watched in the introduction? We have to go cut back a little bit. Yes, we're not gonna have plantain and pear, avocado in a plate on the same Sunday. No, we can't afford it. We have to go choose one. I'm laughing, but it's actually serious. We have to choose one. We can't have both because the food prices here has gone up so much. Like, what I used to buy for $200, that $200 doesn't cover it anymore. You come out of the store with 2 little bags for $200. You're not getting anything big or anything super because the prices has gone up so much. And if you have kids like me who has 2 boys in school, you have to buy snack for and send a balanced lunch to school each and every day. So there's like balanced lunch for school. You have to try to have a balanced lunch, balanced meal at home as well. Fruits, vegetable, everything, because if you cut back here, there's gonna be a problem somewhere else. Because if you're not having your fruits and your vegetable, it's gonna cause another problem, right? So it's just a whole prices right now in Canada. So today I'm gonna take the boys with me and we're gonna go to Costco to get some groceries. I like to shop at Costco because we get a lot of bulk stuff here, and yeah, they eat a lot, so it's good. And Costco have some stuff that are very good on prices, and then other stuff is just like so you just have to know your budget and know exactly what you're going there to buy, because I don't buy everything at Costco. I have my list for Costco, I have my list for Walmart, and I also have my list for Food Basic. Those are my like top 3 grocery stores that I shop at. And so let's see how much money we will spend in this store today. Put it in careful. Put it on top of the Mac. Good job. Okay, get 1 lime juice. Just one. Yeah. Just 1 packet. Next item on the list, you can get it. Let me see what flavor that is. Strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh, raspberry and strawberry.
Strawberry and raspberry.
Okay. Joe, go get my yogurt for me. The Activia down there. Good job, buddy. Put it in. You can put it on that yogurt. Alright. Thank you. So I think this is a good buy. This big peanut butter. It's $7 whatever, but the kids eat a lot of peanut butter every day after school. Let's go, Joe. Put it in. Let me see what's the next thing on the list. I will tell you. What? That's what? Applesauce?
Yeah. This good.
Okay. You guys only come here for the free food.
No more applesauce.
What?
Applesauce?
Applesauce is for babies. Or you want applesauce for the Joe?
I want applesauce.
Okay, baby. Jaden, get juice box. So what? Put the juice box at the bottom. And I didn't see the Pepsi for Daddy. You guys, did you pass it? You guys are gonna go in the garbage. Put it under the bottom.
Again? What?
Jojo, is that the smallest chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Joe, put in the chocolate milk, please.
I wish I could hold it.
No, you need to hold it for. I like to buy my bread here at Costco because we eat a lot of bread. And
I had brownies, but now when I'm this, I can't have no brownies.
well, that's okay if you didn't have any brownies when you were 6. Jaden, you guys got the banana snack for school? Yeah. Okay. So, this one is a good one for the guys, eh? Let me see what they're giving out. Oh, thank you. Oh, so I got 2. Thank you. Now I'm gonna be fat for Christmas. Okay, we just have dish soap on our list and then we're done. Okay, that's the last thing on our list. Good job, buddy. Let's head to the cash.
Okay.
Oh, just going around because every time the kids them pass somewhere with free food, they pick up and sometimes they bring for me. It fell? Never mind.
Come here, Mac.
Good job. Okay guys, so I just finished my grocery at Costco. I know we're heading to Walmart. I'm going to pick up the rest of my stuff there. But we did most of our bulk buying and everything at Costco today. As you guys can see, I have the boys to help me because my husband is home cooking. We were a little bit behind on the Sunday dinner, so he stayed back. Usually he comes with me, and oh my gosh, I miss his help because it was, even though the boys were lifting and helping me, pushing the cart was so hard, and I tried not to push anything or lift anything too heavy. So yeah. What's with the hey, what's with all the noise? Okay, let's go. Okay, now we're heading to Walmart. Let's go. Joe, get croissant over there. Get croissant. And Jaden, come here so to get sweet pepper. Look for a good sweet pepper. Look for one with 3 good ones. Like, yeah. That one is okay. Yeah, that one looks good. Just get 1 stalk of the broccoli. And, yeah. Like that. Put it in the bag.
This one.
Put it in. Jaden, get scallion there, so. Yeah. Let me see. One of those ones. Good. You guys know we're big on our carrot juice, so $2.99 a pound. So I'm gonna get now I'm gonna try to find some onions. Okay. Onion is good. And I'm going to buy some slice ham for school.
Look at these ones.
Okay. Okay, now we're in the Jamaica aisle. We're gonna get our cock soup. I normally buy like 1 can of coconut milk. and then buy one of the box. So whenever I make porridge, I put coconut milk and condensed milk. We use a lot of that, so we're gonna get condensed milk. Right, they'll same one supplements, so we're gonna get supplements. Jojo, take up those 4 supplements and put it in something. And Jaden, take up 2 coconut water.
Okay.
I don't. Let me see if we can find the live bean for the oxtail. What else we need here? So don't know about you guys, but I still love my crackers. Oh, let's take this one also. Yeah. I like these biscuits. The kids love tea. We have lots of tea here. But mostly the mint tea. They like, last time I bought some green tea by accident just because it's creamy, just pick up the pan and put them say, no, this tastes like what them say, toothpaste. I buy this cashew for my husband. He doesn't, guys, get up off the floor. He doesn't really have a lot of stuff on the list, so whatever. He asked me to buy his 2 local things that I always put, because most of the stuff that we buy are for the kids anyways. I got pancakes and waffles for the kids. They're chips that they love. So we're heading to the cash now. So guys, I spent $222 at Costco. As you can see, it's night now. When we left out, it was bright, and now it's just after 5. It's dark. We spent $151 at Walmart, and I spent almost $100 at the international store, grocery store. At the international grocery store, and we got like oxtail and like plantain and the ginger packaged tea, stuff like that. So yeah, grocery is very, very, very expensive, especially when you have kids. You know, you buy all these snacks, all these things, it can be very expensive. So a lot of people are now shopping at the food bank and stuff, but the thing is, the food bank is in Canada is running out of food right now, and all these things. So when the food bank, you know, say something really and truly wrong. You understand? So I'm even a little bit under the weather because I keep going outside without a hat. That's what it is. So, and even though I feel sick today, I still not have on no hat, no scarf. Even though it's like 5 degrees, it's not like super cold, but still. This weather, you have to, no matter, you have to still dress properly or else you're gonna get sick. So that's our grocery, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go up. He's gotta unpack and everything.
Waffles.
Waffles? You're gonna help me unpack now. Yeah. It's frosted flakes. Yeah. Oh, my helper. Put it beside the milk. Yeah. Good job, Mickey. Such a good helper. Uh-huh. Good job. It's good. As you can see, I'm home now and the boys are just playing. They're not helping me or anything. I guess they've done their part. But Michaela always liked to unpack with me. Good job, Michaela. Mickey washing all the oranges. Right, Mickey? Good job, Mickey.
That's 11.
Good. Good girl. You all done? Good job. I'm gonna turn off the water and get your bowl. We're gonna put your oranges in the fridge now.
I would do it too.
Okay. Careful. So open. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna try to finish up the dinner because everything is so late. I just reached with the butter bean. So, and the carrot just comes so. Alright, they'll just have to finish the vegetables, the juice, the mix. At 6 o'clock. This is a very late dinner for us. Usually we eat already from 3 o'clock, but that's like we had a birthday party yesterday. Yeah. No, but the tray never finished. That's why I never put back the ice. You want more rice, Sandy? Huh? So look now. What is it? Don't make that your rice. Dinner, that's why me ask you. Burger and chicken, I want to put something on. It's just say the oxtail fall off of the bone. The oxtail nice. Can't even find no meat. Because no, me mean say it because it a fall off of the bone. That's what me mean. That's no cucumber.
Mommy,
Huh?
have a toy at the table.
No toys at the table.
Okay. Here's my toy.
Okay, Joe.
Birthday. What's that? A ticket clock.
Huh?
A ticket clock.
Okay. Okay, Mickey. Why you left Mickey alone? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.